Hi guys, we're back. Okay, based on Maxis new package, when you buy this Galaxy Note 20, or I like to call it Note 11, Maxis and Samsung is so generous to give. Patutnya dapat ni je, Galaxy Bud, but instead come with the phone. They give you the wireless charger convertible, so letak telefon tu, and then the Galaxy Bud, and of course this one, the biggest one, is UV sterilizer with wireless charging. So this is the unboxing. So basically when you buy from Maxis, I cut contract lah dengan orang. So what you get is that set the advertisement on the 6th when I start registered for pre-booking. Patutnya dapat ni je sekali, rupanya dia dah bundle kan, dapat semua. Okay, so we'll do the unboxing one by one, starting with the UV sterilizer with wireless charging, and katanya designed by Samsung. So let's see what they have inside. What you get will be UV sterilizer. So cantik kotak ni. What you do is that it sterilize while you charge your phone. Wait, this is the wire, the signal. Okay, see, this is where you put your phone, and then you close it, on button, and of course before that you plug in charger and it will charge your phone. Cool, thanks. Sebab memang tak sangka dapat ni, so ingatkan dapat ni je. Alright, so thank you. Don't know what is the price worth, need to check. So next will be the next charger, will be the wireless charger. Tak adalah wireless, you just letak lah, no need to plug in into the wire. So this is how does it look. This one is the original. This is the thing. Letak telefon kat sini lah, nanti dia auto charge. Kat sini. Okay, lagi this is the wiring, all those things lah. Dia gadget nanti nak charge tu, dia bagilah ni sekali terus. Yalah, this one is sebenarnya accessories that you can buy outside. Macam ni tadi? Okay, betul. So put it back, can use later on. Next would be the Galaxy Bud. Yeah, give you free white color. Okay, so let's see how does it look. But so kecil. This will be the wiring and the accessories for your telinga. So this is the thing. Macam telur. Sampai a.k.a. Oh, the type C lah. USB type C. How does it look inside? Okay, this is the thing. This is the right side, this is the left side. So what does it do? It connect to your phone, and you can enjoy the music, whatever that you install on your phone, here wirelessly. Okay, this is Galaxy Bud. Tapi sekarang ni pakai ni, okay, Icon X, where you can Okay, left, right. But it's a normal type cable. You can store 4 gig of sound, 4 gig of music. Yes, music. Nak tukar ni ke? Nantilah. And cukup gegar Note 20. Apa salah dia pakai Note 20? Aku nak Note 11 to change my phone. Last time I pakai phone Note 4, so it's time to change. So Mystic Grey 256GB. This is 5G phone, but so far in Malaysia we still use 4G. So until the SIM card ready for the 5G, then baru kita boleh pakai lah actually. But it's ready 5G. Kalau ikut Floss kata punya review, G is for gangster. So how does it look? This is Mystic Grey. Okay. Alright. Not bad. Soalan telefon sekarang yang macam ni apa? Okay. Early disebabkan telefon Note 4 tu dah rest in peace before, so I pakai A11. So I almost there. Sama lah, kurang. Cuma kamera lagi power lah for 5G and Note 11. Okay, so what else do we have inside the box? Let's see. Okay, the wire. Macam mana? Nothing. Okay, cantik lah dalam box. Okay, so this is the wire for charging. Okay, letak dulu. This one, this is the headphone, the wire headphone. Lupa. Since Note 20 ni dia dah dapat pakai apa dah? Tak ada USB jack. Dilala lagi. So what they do? Tengok sikit. Nampak tu? Dia pakai type C punya ni untuk cucuk dekat telefon So dia punya wire dia pun cantik lah. Apa nama macam kain tu, pakcik tak tahulah apa nama ni. And then the accessories. And wow, siap tulis tu a.k.a. Okay, kita akan test sound dia macam mana. So this is what you get when you buy the Note 20 5G. I don't buy the Ultra, that one because the Ultra gangster. Sebab dia lagi besar. For me, even this A11 ni pun dah cukup besar. Ini pun 20 pun almost identical. I don't like big phone lah actually. But the packaging is nice, cantik. So balik, lupa, since you buy with Maxis, dia ada bagi SIM card lah. So I was thinking it was a 5G card, but tanya rupanya still 4G, belum ada lagi access for 5G. So once dah ada nanti, this phone is ready lah to be used. So I need to change the SIM card. Just need to change the SIM card and you're ready to go to use the 5G network. Apa lagi? Accessory wise, okay. In term of, normally dulu kalau Note 9 pun Note 10, dia ada bagi free cover. Sekarang tak ada, babe. Kena beli tu. Ini macam ada film sikit, tak sure is already. Rasanya dah ada ni lah cover ni, but behind tak ada. So boleh tahan lah, cantik colour grey ni kan. Okay, so that's the unboxing for Note 20. In term of usage everything, I think aku dah pandai sangat lah nak guna pun, atau pakai untuk ini je. Nak godi-godi lagi. Oh ya, dia punya pen pen dia kata sekarang power. So this is the pen. Oh, grey colour juga, cantik babe. Alright. Okay guys, that is the unboxing session. Let's see, ada yang nak tengok ke apa semua untuk full detail. Maybe I will do a review. Maybe lah. Tengok how many viewer dapat untuk ni. Okay, thanks for watching. Sorry lah baby mengarut. Bye.